Hey, it's Sin. Yesterday, I had the opportunity to install LED lights on my 2022 Kawasaki Vulcan. I went to the Cabbage Patch during Bike Week, and there is a vendor right by the north entrance, KnightLiteLEDs. The vendor is local to Orlando, and they offer a lifetime warranty, so should there be any issue, I just drive right into their South Orlando store and get it fixed. The package they offer has 12 colors, 18 modes, and 5 speeds. I'm super happy with the installation. They even put lights in my front wheel. Thank you, KnightLiteLEDs.